Best Large Sports Sedans for 2024 Subaru WRX. In the realm of large sports sedans, the 2024 Subaru WRX stands out as a formidable option, blending performance, versatility, and all-weather capability. As the latest iteration of Subaru's iconic rally-inspired sedan, the WRX continues to uphold its legacy of delivering exhilarating driving experiences while offering practicality and reliability. Powering the 2024 Subaru WRX is a turbocharged 2.4-liter four-cylinder boxer engine, producing an impressive 271 horsepower and 258 lb-ft of torque. Paired with either a 6-speed manual transmission or an optional continuously variable transmission (CVT), the WRX delivers strong acceleration and responsive power delivery. Subaru's legendary symmetrical all-wheel drive system ensures exceptional traction and stability, making the WRX well-suited for various road conditions. The WRX's dynamic prowess is further enhanced by its advanced chassis and suspension systems. Subaru's sport-tuned suspension and active torque vectoring technology provide excellent cornering capabilities and precise control, while the sedan's lightweight construction contributes to its nimble handling and agile performance. The WRX features high-performance brakes, offering confident stopping power and stability under hard braking. Visually, the 2024 Subaru WRX exudes a sporty and aggressive demeanor, with its bold design elements and aerodynamic styling cues. Its exterior features a distinctive hood scoop, aggressive front grille, and sleek LED headlights. The WRX rides on 18-inch alloy wheels, further enhancing its athletic stance. Optional exterior packages allow drivers to customize the WRX's appearance according to their preferences, adding a touch of individuality. Inside the cabin, the WRX offers a comfortable and driver-centric environment, with a range of convenience features. The interior boasts sports seats with bolstered side support, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, and aluminum pedals. The WRX is equipped with Subaru's Starlink infotainment system, which includes a touchscreen display, smartphone integration, and a premium sound system. Safety features are also a priority in the 2024 Subaru WRX. The sedan comes equipped with Subaru's EyeSight driver assistance suite, which includes features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a rear-view camera. Additionally, the WRX offers available features like blind spot monitoring and rear cross-traffic alert for added peace of mind. In conclusion, the 2024 Subaru WRX offers a compelling combination of performance, versatility, and all-weather capability in the large sports sedan segment. With its powerful engine, agile handling, and practical design, the WRX promises an exhilarating driving experience that will appeal to enthusiasts and everyday drivers alike.